A single-car crash killed a Springville man and seriously injures his passenger. State troopers have identified the victim as 31-year-old Jeremy Walthall. They say the crash happened Monday on Gallant Road, 3 miles north of Asheville. The investigation shows that Walthall's car left the roadway and struck a tree. Troopers say the victim was not wearing a seat belt, and his passenger, 26-year-old Jessica Maddox of Warrior, was also not wearing a seat belt. Walthall was pronounced dead at the scene. Maddox was transported to UAB Hospital in Birmingham.